I bet Muna give me 1 minute. Make I drink the malt. Honey, boss malt for your wife. Okay. What's that for me?
Listen, a company now they carry drink come for us. Company.
So this is malt beer, okay? It's malt. It's not alcohol, okay? So Muna give me 1 minute, okay? Una know say yeah with the shop life. Now shop life gang now will be here. Yeah. Spend money gang and we they do give away. We they do give away where for yeah. We not do give away for finish. May we go the broadcast people where we give say now see the person where I give or I call the first person where be say I do give away for me. May the person come the record himself. They say for me I don't do that. I give with my heart.
This is shop life family.
We give bond straight. We give clothes. We give shoes. Anything that has to do with giveaway. So make a cheers, guys.
If you want, we go
Only.
give you.
Only, go take your own. Go take your own.
No, see me, I know they drink my own hot. When you drink all this sugar belongs to women. Me, once I want to take now, see make I ginger my body. I suffer you're sick.
Ariye me, you go na Ariye we but logbe.
Oh my wet, they are all there. You know understand so.
You go mo gbe me.
Enjoy. Step down. Step down.
Yeta. Oh yeah, my people, let's go there, okay? When I welcome my suburban gang. Oh yeah, oh. So before Obi go start to the cut this share. Dominic is here. Oh, I never even make shout out to my people. Dominic is here. Princess Naomi is here. Kasara is here. Miss Wizzy Boo is here. Hi, Bonstraight Queen. Hello, and you are welcome. Thank you so much, Mary Informa. So now me be Bonstraight Queen, my people. I don't fair introduce on yours now. So this one at 14 inches. Veggie human hair. It is spark. It is shake. Okay. So now me be Bonstraight Queen.
Make a reason.
In case you don't hear of my name.
Make a reason.
Let me. Okay. Now me be the Bonstraight Queen where we fair cold. This agabe the no wonder for me no one. You know, say you get time, you don't get too much time again. So I'll be one quick help me cut this thing before it go
for the also okay. All this ego on yon.
Yes, okay. So nobody come Europe, come play. Oh, thank you so much for the stars, guys. Nobody come Europe, come play. Oh, hey, we come here. If you know what to carry, you come out for house. Hey, so you have to be hardworking. And my husband is a hard-working man. He is a working class. When I know say that right from time, now they talk and say, man, where be say no they work. I not get waiting I want you and do. If I say okay, never see work or condition here, that one they different. Not be say get it. When I not see the man where be say I marry, man from my generation. I don't want marry all those old men where be say they go come they use they come they use their old ways. Come they give me excuse. Say or change again. No. I don't want now young vibrant man now I marry. Okay, you know they tire. So make I cook better food
but
for her.
This one not see the tire.
I trust you now.
I make a hang you.
Oh yeah, hang. Oh yeah, can you? Iye me o. Okay, so okay, so I'll be one quick help me cut the meat. While they get name my people, I'll be one quick help me cut the meat. So after I cut the meat today, I just still give her 1 rounds because he buy over here. This my something way they front. All there asa. All
my family.
Asa. He buy, he pay. So I have to cook better food for her.
Where?
I have to
Express road. You know those kind of marriage. Express straight.
When can people watch you? Oh my God! Thank you all so much for watching. Oh my God! Is that Bonstraight Queen in the building? I not the fight, I know the quarrel. Only hello, hi, my people don't they call. If not only this beauty, I'll send
good entertainment. 1,000.
My people, I love you all so very much. Okay, it's for year, we know the fight, we know the quarrel.
It's happiness.
It's happiness page.
Jolly, jolly.
Oh, you understand? Happy page.
Jolly,
page
jolly.
where we say 1.1. Oh my God. Let's get to 2K. Show me love, my people. Show me love. Let's get to 2K.
2K before we go show this thing now.
If you reach 2K, me and Obi, we'll do this thing here. And now let's be one. You want come?
Too sweet. Now make I go come.
Oh God! Jesus Christ!
They want go there. Slimzy. Come. Slimzy. Mama.
You know, say if you
Baby
get
four,
if
Mama four.
you know, say if only way make me speak up. You know, say as a woman, we know say no day easy to get that good life partner. You understand? They had bet. Nothing sweet pass. Better sperm they enter your body sharp. You know go see time take the verse. You know see time take the mad. You know see time take the bow. You don't see me as I be now. If I cook for my husband now, before I go work, I go open now. He go valon and give me some oil. He go my face. He go rest. Well, okay. If you know say they are busy relationship, you know say it's not working out. Stop deceiving yourself, okay? No reason say people go laugh you. Now your happiness now it matters. You understand? So try to let go and search for a better one before it's too late. You understand? Now because you'll see some people and if they don't hold, they'll come they frustrated for no reason. Without someone provoking them, without someone looking for them. Okay? Look for a good man. Not look say because say I don't born for this man, now I must marry. No, not be all the man where be say you born for now I don't must marry you. Now no say now because they call and say okay. The first one, so if you no work, look for another one. If you not see work, look for another one. If you not see work, look for another one. What is the important? Be say, may you dey happy at the end of the day. You see this, my husband. I not use and play because is my head. Now they breathe. Is my strength. Is my everything. You dey see in the next 40 years. Okay, yes, let me say in the next 40 years, Obi go still dey vibrant, he go still dey agile to take the work for me, they take care of my responsibilities. You understand? So may we see they know the kind man where we say we dey deal with, not be say we go deal with man finish there. We can't go the long throat outside because of waiting Mr. Yobosa they do for Mrs. Yobosa. Meanwhile, you know say that man where be say you deal with na lazy man na be. You know say that man where be say you deal with.
Because of this thing, so.
You know say that man where be say you deal with. Now you know they caring before you they accept. You understand? We women, we have to know our stand. We are beautiful. We are strong. You know, we are beautiful. We are strong. Because they thought say man no easy, good man no easy to get, good man no easy to get. No me say you go just day one, they miserable for there. Okay, it's not done that way. It's not done that way. So we just block one. Thank you so much for that red egg, my people. Please keep sharing, guys. Okay. Bekus, I see they talking all the time. Bekus, waste pay, no they enter. Now so fight, verse. You go use the verse for no reason. You see, I say upon us say they go come here, come they put some insult negative comment. I know the verse because my body is he carry heavy sperm. He's well loaded. Okay, so that's it. Try, okay. They collect oil for body. It's very important. Oil is good. Okay.
See what
so
oil they do.
You see, the time where be say I never marry my husband. I saw me I can't be. Where be say na since 2017 I can't be give the fine. Now be the good oil. So where we dey talk. So I love you both. No dull moment with you guys. Abio, Emmanuel, I love all my people. You all are the best. You understand? I no need to dey shout, or I no need to dey fight, or I no need to dey curse. Una go dey here gidigba dey watch me. You understand? Sometimes I go just dey ask myself, say, what have I done to deserve this love? Because if not because of a makeup wey be say they do, there are a lot of people out there wey be say they do makeup more than me. But una go see they come here, come they watch me. If na review, other people they do a review. Una still come here, come they watch me. You understand? So I don't really know what I've done to deserve this genuine love from you people. It is easy. If it is easy to sit down, then you come they see people crowd, they watch you. If to say easy, therefore not they see fight, cause for this social media. I must not cause someone before I can get attention. I must not insult who have done nothing wrong to me before I can end my views. No, I don't. Una know now, my people. Una know. Only hello, welcome back again to another episode of Showcasing Lifestyle. The view, it don't arrive. Just that a few weeks ago, or sometimes it still dey happen. Say I go dey live video, people no go know say I dey here. Now because of the product, some brand wey be say I can't go dey influence, which is not allowed. Facebook no dey green. They go say you violate their rules. Because of the love, the good heart wey be say I get, now I can't go dey do all those things. You understand? Ever since I still stop, I limit am. Una no see say my views is bouncing back because what I'm doing, una like am. Wetin I dey do, una like am. If not only this my face, my beauty, or say na douare, you understand? Una do well. So for that, I'm not going to take your love for granted. I no fit take una love for granted. If not be una, without una, there's not gonna be Mrs. Yobosa. Mrs. Yobosa na big name now. Mrs. Yobosa na big name very now. Big name. Una know na people because na big name now that they talk about. Mrs. Yobosa na big name now. If I dey go shopping, I travel anywhere I dey go, we travel. I must see person where be say, are you not Mrs. Yobosa? We love you, Mrs. Yobosa. Mrs. Yobosa, give you my number. Friend. You understand? So for those people where be say that they only sorry. Yeah. So for those people where be say that they send me message like how much is yes? I want to buy this. I don't sell hair, guys. I don't sell hair. I am only influencer. Now beauty influencer now be. I'm not gonna sell hair. I'm not gonna sell any products. I not be business woman. Now beauty influencer now be. Now working class now be. I not say business all night work. I dey like to they work with my hand. I know they do buying and selling. Okay, I know they sell hair. I know they sell anything. If you want to buy cream, just go contact Cafe Beauty World. Cafe Beauty World. She live in Nigeria. She live in Lagos. We are not friends. We are not relative. I'm just only influencing her brand. If you want to buy human hair will be say they nice. Contact Sylvia Empire's Egareva's hair. Stop coming to my inbox like how much. I know they sell my property where besides still they alive. Yeah. I'm not broke to be selling my property while I'm still alive. Blessing okay? From the husband, okay? So I know say hairs where beside I get, clothes where beside I get, shoes where beside I get, them many. Now God provides. Now cause me and my hobby, we see money take buy. Now God now provide. Because I they wear different bone straight. You know me side they say. I know they say. Even my lovers where be say I don't see send package as in send gift. Una know say I tell una say na level bone straight now I give out. Even sending it today, I not even collect shipping money. I not collect shipping money. May not come be like say okay I sell now. You understand? I they do give away well, but it has to be from my heart. I know they like me person use mouth ask me something say, Mrs. Yobosa give me this, Mrs. Yobosa give me that. Ask how I go take give you a gift. It depends on how it is based on the kind of relationship where be say me and you get for this social media. Person like Sharon Belanosa, my goddaughter, I go continue to they talk about her. Where I go get something where be say, oh my queen Libby, my supporter. Last time where be say you comment, mommy, my queen Libby, I not see your comment, it skip Today, I'm going to make a shout out to you, my Queen Limbi. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. In as much say, I dey wear different bone straight, I dey wear different shoes, I dey wear different designers. You are still my supporter. You get money where be say they pay for me every month. A big thanks to Mommy Sandra the best also. Nigeria supporter now I get. And Mommy, all for Tani Koshe Iwoma. I know they ever online video without that lady no dash me money. You understand? Apart from the one where be say my people like Mommy Omo Uyi, Mommy Smith Lovely Princess, Mommy Agneta. I know the gift where be say few. Now I just make sure I know the gift where be say I get from them during my birthday period. Sometimes not be even my birthday self. You know, they go see they dash me gift, they dash me money. This social media, now cause Oibo, they're too wise. America, they're too wise. And now their footstep, now me I take. Even though I know they speak English, I must know they speak English. The entire side knows before I can be smart or before I can be brilliant, before I can be wise. But here, he complete me. You understand? What do you expect? Pikin wey be say start to the day for Germany since underage. You know wetin be underage. Pikin wey start to the stay Germany since underage. I grew with the German. Now Igbo now we got that stay. So I have to they act like them. I never see where they on social media they use until they bring their fellow man, until they bring their fellow woman down. This social media since this year now it come to my notice say you can monetize your page, you can earn money, you can do everything, even though the money big or not. Why can't you use your platform to take the earn money, to take they do better things, so that you know go they look your own fellow woman, they get intimidated. You know go they look your own fellow woman, they get depression. You never even hold. You never reach 40. You go. They swallow medicine. You go. They drink medicine. Is that life? And Mrs. Yobosa is here, shining and freshing, and full of life. I know they take drugs. I know they take medicine. I know they take anything. The 4 children where be say God give me very healthy, very bouncy. They know they take. They know they take medicine. They know they take anything. I don't get any of my children where be say at they carry they go therapy. Go they do therapy. My children, they are very okay in their head. Fresh. Very calm, very gentle. Fresh. Because of the mama and papa will be say take care of them. How they take grow. Imagine. I go you see some people they go on live video. Their children go they do gaga bang. What's that? Children born in abroad. They go they shout, Mama, he black me, Mama, he blow me, Mama, this is that. A lot of people that they ask say, I tell they do my children. Can you imagine? Mother of 4 children. I go still get time, still take the after I take off my children, finish. I go still get time to take bath, wear better clothes, do makeup. Give them the if to say my children will be say they give me war, they give me hell. Unati say I go they see chance, they do all this kind of thing. You know they see my finger. Neat. The day where be say I don't paint my finger, you know say that day I just want make my finger still go break because too much of paint it go they make your finger they over soft. Una know they see dressing where beside they come out neat, clean. If to say my children that they give me hair, my children where be say I know take care of them. Well, una think say I go they come out like the sound and healthy after 4 children. Still be like this. See now. Check me out now, my people. Am I not hot?
You see, so that make I know they look outside. You know the sense.
Am I not hot?
Because
only when carry need to work each way.
You know, so, because I want to tell look outside now. Now call the maintain.
My people.
You understand? Call the maintain now for us. You know, so.
Now look at now. Am I not hot? Which man?
Wife and side chick.
I just tired.
I use money.
Only show them your logo.
I use money.
Show them your logo. Show them your logo.
I use money.
Oh God, Mommy Libby, don't you start finish.
Only, I want to something. I use money to create wife. I can't use money to create side chick. Now make I do all these things. Like,
all in one. Now
Only one. I can't use money to do all those things. This one now side chick they wear bone straight. So now me can't do side chick inside house. You think say na small money now to do side chick inside house?
The kind man.
Yeah?
1.6K worship. Thank you all my people. The kind man where be say a lot of women, a lot of women, according to Odumeje, where be say a lot of women that they dream to have. Me, my own just use me. God just use and taste on me. Then I can't take for granted. I can't take him for granted. Pray to have a good husband in your life. If man they beat woman, they go say domestic violence. So if man see to love the wife, they'll say na mumu na juju.
1.8, please make it 2,000 so that we will show you.
I am my husband mumu. Now my husband mumu na be because I take suffer before God bless me with this kind man. Before God bless me with this kind man. If you never experience worse relationship, bad relationship, you know, if you get good man, you not go value him. You understand? You know so I love my husband so much. He's my crown. He's my king. He's my life. He's my everything. And now me then dig when my life, my crown, the most finest man in the whole wide world. My Edunekwi, my black handsome, my true beauty man, my fresh man. I love you so much, my darling. I love you so much. You are the best. You are the best. Since I was born, and now that I am growing old, I never see person like you. Only you too good.
Say, not easy.
Only you too nice. Only you too blessed. Say make boy black handsome. That's why you sweet. Oh God. Oh God. Honey, oh God. Honey, you too nice. Honey, you too cute. Oh God. See as my fine. Jesus. Oh God. See as my fresh. Oh God. Honey, you too cute. I go like her. As you come boss hearing, you go they make my head they grow dada. Only you too sweet, only you too nice. I'm going to marry you forever. I'm going to love you forever. Jesus, my black and handsome.
I love Boo Boo.
I love Boo Boo. Yeah. I love you so much. You're gonna be my forever lover. Oh my God. Honey, you too sweet. You want make her they cry. You too sweet.
For angel to the toast me.
Oh God. Honey, you too sweet. I will empty my bank account for you. Oh God. Jesus.
This one,
honey, that shopping will be say I do for you. It's too small. I'm going to go for another shopping for you. Oh God, see how smart tick. Only show me your muzzle. Oh God, only are they wet. Jesus, only you too fine. Oh God, see how smart cute. He talk past me as I see talk. She go still talk past me. Oh God, Jesus. Why are you so cute? Oh God, where you there before you come me? Where you there before where I come fair go they suffer?
God never create me finish that time.
Oh God.
And when God come create me, now God shift me. Say okay, now go look for that angel. That's how when the angel did. Say the angel did I did beg.
Now understand. Okay. Now I know why you know we come. Oh Jesus.
God never create me finish that time.
That's cute. Now so you get good character. Only you to know how to take care of woman. Jesus, God. Now man like you, now I wish my lovers.
Don't bust my head.
Now man like you, now man like you. Now I wish my well wisher. Say amen. Jesus.
Amen. Guys, the good people.
Oh God, only man need die again. Only you too cute.
God, this
Jesus. Only please don't leave me. Only please don't leave me. Only please don't leave me. You too cute.
You are my side chico.
Jesus. Only please don't leave me. Oh God, don't leave me. Don't leave me.
No.
Oh God, if you leave me, I will buy. If you leave me, I will buy. Please don't.
I will stay with you forever. The same coffee. The same coffee. Now don't put me on you. Forever.
Okay, my people. Now meet, now we review, now we come here, come do. I believe say this drama where be say we do don't still reach, okay? So make I let Muna go relax. So I be one they cut the meat. So the meat.
You never show what you buy.
No, just show them the meat first. The other ones where beside buy, they don't know I'm.
What do you want to use this one cook for me now?
I want to use until they cook banga, egusi, ogbono, so that you go they get that monster to take the work for, to take the work, take care of me, take care of the shoes.
Hey, this food, una dey see so.
Too much.
Okay.
Only too much.
Wow, take the guest.
Angela, please, okay? Look at her, Jesus. See this one. See neck. See this one. This one na cow leg. This one na meat. So all the meat will be say this one na flesh with bone. Okay, sure. This side.
Sure.
All right.
This one na neck.
So all the meat will be say. All the meat will be say we buy for here now. So everything can be 75 euro, my people. So everything can be 75 euro. So the flesh. Let me share and make them see. So this flesh where be say.
Just look at like this. I don't ready.
Okay. So I want you to show them the flesh first. The flesh. So this flesh where be say, Mrs. Yobosa. Mrs. Yobosa, single mom, don't they cry because of you? Oh, no worry, To those good single mothers out there, okay? To those good single mothers out there, those single mothers out there that are genuinely happily for me, I use myself as a contact to you all, okay?
Put your hand for my hand like this, you go see better man like me.
Okay? Yeah. So na man wey be say e dey amen. Amen. I'll be done ready praying, okay? So the thing be say just calm down, no rush. Sometimes the love of our life, they come late. Why be say sometimes they come earlier, okay? You don't born one pikin, you don't born two pikin, you don't born three pikin. It's not the end of the world. It all depends on how you take package yourself. You understand? Person like me, now I get good character. Which man no go stay? Which man no go marry me? Any man will be say no stay. Now me dump the man because the character is not okay for me. I not be all those type of woman will be say go born one for man because say don't quit them born for man. Then the man can't bring it bad character. Come and go say okay, man sit down there the manager. No, okay. Because this life will be say I just come my own my mission on this life now to come your shop flex. The time reach say God say oh yeah come oh we don't call you oh come hey I yourself will go heaven. You understand? I just want to eat flex, do whatever makes me happy, wear bone straight, wear expensive makeup, wear expensive hair, wear luxury. I love luxury. Since I did small picking, they cannot take their hard working because I really want to have a luxury life. I know say now the way I see there now, you know luxury to some people but now for me this is the most this one now where beside yours then I just luxury. I am contented. I am okay. Ask me what I ask God where God never do for me. Na children, na beautiful children, na healthy children, na quiet children. Do you know what it takes, especially in this Europe? Say you just born, you not get any of your children where be say they sick, they take medicine. You not get any of your pikin where be say they carry, they go therapy. You not get any pikin where be say they disabled. 4 solid, bouncy, healthy kids. You think it's easy? Or to me myself, where be say see get better, then after I born they finish, I can't see they strong, I can't see they healthy like this. You know how many people where be say they go inside labor, where be say they lost their leg, they turn paralyzed. Some today their waist here, they not fit stand. They not fit stand for like 10 minutes. You understand? Me, I go stand 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. You think it's easy? They can't get this kind of husband, caring, loving husband, Jenna. You think it's easy? Wait till I ask God, where God never do for me.
Because it's sweet, past side chick.
Waiting me ask God where God never do for me. My people make una ask me, via no say no my ume. If na money, I get time. My husband get time. If na good health, I get time. If na beauty, may we remove makeup. You all know I am naturally beautiful. Na the height, na the shape, na the lip. Una know they see my big lip. Lip where be so Oyibo or other celebrities out there where they spend huge money that they do. God can't give me free of charge.
Pink lip.
Pink lip, naturally pink big lip. Beautiful sexy eyes. Beautiful set of teeth. That
eye, if she use and look me like that's what this video.
No side. Waiting I don't ask God where God never do for me. So waiting I just need for this life now to they pray to God to give me more good health ahead.
And more wisdom.
To just say they shop life, they flex life, they wear bone straight.
50-50.
You understand? They wear expensive makeup, expensive bone straight, expensive clothes, expensive